Ask you that what is this app is all about?
All about, yeah. So basically, this is actually doubts app, and it clears doubts of students of from class 12 to sorry, class 6 to 12,
Okay.
right?
So, what is something different in this app? Because nowadays we can see for the learning there is n number of apps. So,
Hmm.
what is different in that?
Yeah. So basically, in like this time, you can see you are absolutely correct. There are a lot of app in the market, right? I can take name of them, but how it is different, because we have focused on the doubts of the students, and not only like a simple way. In this app, it is basically one of its kind of app. Like in this app, basically student can solve their doubts by either by typing the doubts, or by clicking pics of the doubt, or by voice search, or by live doubts. They can call the teacher or tutor, by video call. So that is very interesting feature, and I don't think any app in right now, any app is giving this feature.
Okay, so like as in nowadays, students are preferring most of online session only
Hmm.
because the schools and
Yeah, yeah,
colleges
yeah,
are
you're right,
online.
yeah.
So, can you give me any of the example like how it is more easy for the
Yes, yes.
students, or else the teachers nowadays, or else any institute or the app are
Yeah,
giving
yeah.
any of the concession, or else any some
Perfect, perfect. I clearly understand your
codes or
point. Yeah,
something is
yeah.
like that.
So basically, see, actually, we have created an environment in our app, right? So what is happening these days? Students are obviously using the Zoom link or anything for studying, right? In our app, there are live lectures, live doubt solving thing. So and when you study as a student, you need books and guides also, right? So in our app, we provide textbooks, guides, and notes absolutely free. Learning videos, they are absolutely free, so that there is a creation of environment. Like they can give pop cues, like they can suppose they have doubt this chapter is ready or not, so they can give the test like pop cues type, and this test is made of like KBC style. So the students are really liking that, they're really enjoying, like they, and by that way we can check their fundamental knowledge of the topic, right? So that's why it is very helpful to them. And the second thing, they can obviously take the live lectures, and the all things are there. Whatever other apps are giving, all things are there. And like on the top of the above, basically the app is very economical. Like in these days, you are going to offer any app, they charge 10,000 to 25,000, like that. Our app can, any student can subscribe less than 200 rupees in a month. Like yearly we are charging 1999, that is 2,000 rupees. So that is really economical. Yeah. And like you can ask lot of doubts, you can ask, you can chat with the teachers, you have books and guides, you have test paper generator, you have pop cues, there are a lot of features. So, and we are charging, so because our vision is what, we are not here to make money and like that, although obviously we are a startup, but our vision is what, education should be for everyone. Like when we say app, सो क्या होता है कि जो वीकर सेक्शन है सोसाइटी का, वो उससे दूर भागते हैं, या फिर वो जो फ्री ऐप अवेलेबल हैं वही यूज़ कर पाते हैं। हमारा हर कोई अफोर्ड कर सकता है। हमारे पार्टनर का कहना है कि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया।
बस हमारा एक ही कोट है इस ऐप के लिए, पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी बढ़ेगा इंडिया। बहुत इकोनॉमिकल ऐप है और यूनिक ऐप है, ऐसे कोई भी ऐप नहीं है। बाकी सारी लर्निंग ऐप है, हमारी एजुकेशन के लिए डाउट्स ऐप है।
सो like आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे जो आज की न्यू जनरेशन है उनके लिए ये ऐप कितना ईजी है?
100% यूज़ करना चाहिए। पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया, मेरा तो एक ही कोट है इसके लिए।
No, thank you so much. They have covered all the points, and I think it's very important for students to use this app. It will be helpful.
Is it so? Can you say me any best part of this app which you like?
What I feel is that this app, except for the students, it's beneficial for teachers and parents as well. Because in today's society, parents are so busy that they don't take proper care of their students' studies. सो अगर आपका बच्चा बोलता है कि अगर उसने कोई पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक या पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर कवर कर लिया है, तो इससे वो टेस्ट पेपर जनरेटर से वो उसको पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर के टेस्ट निकाल के दे सकते हैं। एंड वो उसको प्रॉपर उनको टेस्ट के साथ क्वेश्चंस के साथ आंसर्स भी मिलेंगे, तो दे कैन जस्ट क्रॉस चेक कि उनके बच्चा प्रिपेयर्ड है प्रॉपरली कि नहीं है वो पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे, दैट वे। सो आई फील दिस फीचर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
Sir, as you talk about this app is for the 6 to 12
Yeah,
students.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
in 12, many of the students are applying for JEE and
Yes,
NEET.
yes, yes.
So, is it so they are getting something any new feature for
Yeah. So basically, see, actually, how our app is totally different from other apps. One more feature I wanted to add. So basically, when we started this app, so people are asking, okay, anybody can search on Google also. Why you're making an app for that, right? So basically, in Google, the data are from worldwide, right? From like every part of world, there's a data. So if you are searching anything and you're getting answer, so it's not sure 100% that answer is correct, right? And every board has a format. Like if you're from CBSE board, so obviously you have to write first introduction, then body, then result, right? You as a student you understand, but you are also a student. So basically, in our app, what we did actually, we hired like 40 50 board moderators. They have more than student of experience of 25 30 years, right? And they curated the answers, right? So we take 1000% guarantee. If you're writing any answer from our app, you'll get 100% marks. So you don't have to think, oh, ये part लिखना है कि नहीं लिखना है, ये आंसर होगा कि नहीं होगा. You don't have to think like that. Just search the answer. If like search the question, if answer is coming, just try to understand the answer and write it. You'll get 100% marks because it is written by like board moderators. So this is the unique part.
So lastly, what you would like to say to all the students who will be using it?
सो ऑब्वियसली आपके लाइक जो आपका प्लेटफॉर्म है उसके माध्यम से हम बताना चाहते हैं सारे स्टूडेंट्स को कि सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ये ऐप डाउनलोड करना चाहिए, इसको यूज़ करना चाहिए. दे शुड यूज़ दिस ऐप इज़ रियली बेनिफिशियल. एंड इन फ्यूचर वी आर एडिंग लॉट ऑफ फीचर्स इन दैट. राइट नाउ अभी हमने एक नया फीचर ऐड किया, साइकोमेट्रिक टेस्ट. सो साइकोमेट्रिक टेस्ट क्या है, अभी आप किसी से भी साइकोमेट्रिक टेस्ट एक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वर्ड लगता है लोगों को. सो लोग क्या कहते हैं, समटाइम उनको लगता है कि स्टूडेंट को लगता है कि मैं इस टॉपिक में वीक हूँ या मुझे करियर काउंसलिंग कराने की जरूरत है. तो लोग थोड़ा हिचकिचाते हैं जाने के लिए करियर काउंसलर के पास. इन आवर ऐप यू कैन गो गिव द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन एंड यू विल गेट द रिपोर्ट. So in like when part you are strong, is part you are weak, everything will go. You'll get a report of 15 20 pages, right? So people charge for that 4 5 thousand, and we are giving free. So there are a lot of features, and students will obviously avail that app as really wonderful. As a co-founder, I'm really excited, and obviously I will request and ask every student and every parent also, they should download app, they should go through it, they should check the features, and they should write a review also. Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you very much.